Mastering everyday English. Understanding, give the thumbs up. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting and widely used phrase, give the thumbs up. This expression is rich in history and culture, and understanding it can add a lot of flavor to your English conversations. Let's get started and unravel the meaning behind this popular phrase. Give the thumbs up is a phrase that signifies approval, agreement, or that something is acceptable. It's used in informal situations and can be both a verbal expression, "He gave the thumbs up to start the project," and a non-verbal gesture, where you literally lift your thumb up as a sign of approval. This expression is universally understood in English-speaking cultures, and it's a positive sign. Whether someone is asking for your opinion on a decision, or you're showing support for a friend's idea, giving the thumbs up is a quick and effective way to communicate your consent. The phrase, "give the thumbs up," has a fascinating history. It's commonly believed to have originated from the Roman gladiatorial combat, where the fate of a defeated gladiator was decided by the crowd or the emperor's gesture. However, historical evidence on this is mixed, and the actual gestures used in ancient Rome might have been different from what we assume today. Over the centuries, the thumbs-up gesture evolved to mean approval or satisfaction in many cultures, eventually becoming a common way to express positive feelings or agreement in modern English-speaking societies. Using "give the thumbs up" in your daily conversations is quite straightforward. Here are a few examples to guide you. Expressing personal approval. "I gave the thumbs up after tasting the dish. It was delicious." Approving plans or ideas. "My boss gave the thumbs up for the new marketing strategy." Showing support. "If you decide to move to the new city, you have my thumbs up." Remember, while it's a positive and informal expression, it might not be suitable for very formal or official communications. We hope this video has given you a good understanding of the phrase, "give the thumbs up," and how you can use it to enrich your English speaking and writing. It's more than just a simple gesture or phrase. It's a way to connect with others, show support, and express agreement in a friendly and positive manner. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning with us today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more English language tips and tricks. See you in the next video.